Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalaba USA. Today we're going to go over how to set your HE-SE circulator into remote control mode using the RS-232 interface. First, you start off by pressing the menu button, and then you have to scroll down till you see serial. And here you can select your baud rate between 4800, 38.4, 19.2, 9600. 4800 is our factory default. Parity can be selected between even, factory default, odd, or none. If it's selected to none, it changes the data bits that are required. And lastly, we have our handshake, which can be selected between hardware, which is our factory default, or software. Once you have your settings set to where you need them, go to Menu Config. You'll see Remote will be the first thing. Press OK. Change it to On. Now you notice there's a big R at the top of your display, which indicates that it's in RS-232 control mode now. You can turn it off in the same menu, and you'll notice the big R disappears in the display. So that is how you set your HE or SE circulator to remote control mode using the RS-232 interface.